Hi, welcome back to the channel HBNR Families. So in this video I'm going to show you how to cut hood pattern perfectly. So these are the measurements I'm going to need when cutting the hood pattern. So I'm going to need front neck measurement, back neck measurement, front neck drop, hood height, and hood depth. So those are the materials, those are the measurements I'm going to need when making my hood pattern. So I'm going to be showing the measurement step by step, and I'm going to be applying it to make the hood pattern. So the hood depth, I'm going to take the measurement of my high to high, just like this, from this high to this high. So that is the measurement for my hood depth. And the hood height, I'm going to place the tape measurement like this. I'm going to place it at the highest part of the head, and I'm going to place it to the neck bone like this. It should reach the neck bone. So as you can see, it is 29 inches. So, and I'm going to be showing so let's get started and let's see how we are going to make the hood pattern. Thanks for watching HBNR. So now these are the measurements I'm going to need: the front neck measurement, the back neck, the front neck drop, the hood height, and the hood depth. So I'm going to draw a straight line here. After drawing the straight line, I'm going to use this place as my starting point, and I'm going to take the measurement of the back neck, which is 4.5, and I'm going to apply the measurement here. I'm going to mark 4.5. So after that, I'm going to take the measurement of the front neck. So my front neck is 7.6. So I'm going to apply the front neck measurement as well. Now after that, I'm going to roll a straight line like this. So after rolling the straight line, I'm going to mark half of an inch. After marking that, I'm going to use French curve to make a bit curve like this. Now I'm going to take the measurement of front neck drop. So the front neck drop measurement is 5.6 inches. So I'm going to apply it here, and I'm going to deduct 1 inch from 5.6 inches, which is equivalent to 4.6 inches. So I'm going to mark 4.6 here. So after that, I'm going to use French curve to connect it to the back neck measurement. So I'm going to reapply all the measurements because I'm working on a curved line now. So I'm going to mark the back neck, which is 4.5 here, and I'm going to take the measurement of the front neck, which is 7.6, and this is the 7.6 I marked here. So I'm going to label it: this is back neck and this is front neck. So now the next thing is to apply my hood depth, and this is how I'm going to take the measurement of my hood depth. I'm going to measure from high to high. So high to high measurement is my hood depth measurement. So my high to high is 18.5 inches. Now I'm going to divide the 18.5 inches by 2, which will gives me 9.25, and I'm going to add extra 2 inches to it. The extra 2 inches is for the seaming allowance and the overlap of the hood. So 1 inch is for the seaming allowance, and 1 inch is for the overlap of the hood. So I'm going to mark 11.25 here. So I'm going to mark the same thing here, and also I'm going to mark 11.25 here also. So I'm going to draw a straight line to connect it together like this. So the next thing is to take the measurement of the hood height. I've already showed it before the video started, and this is how I'm going to take the measurement, and I'm going to make sure that it reaches the neck bone area. So my hood height is 29 inches, and I'm going to add extra 3 inches to it, which is 29 plus, I mistakenly used divide sign instead of plus sign. 29 plus 3, it's equivalent to 32 inches, and I'm going to divide 32 by 2, which will gives me 16 inches. So I'm going to apply 16 inches here. I'm going to mark it. So I'm going to connect this side together as well. So here I'm going to apply 1.5 inches here, 1.5 inches. So I'm going to curve it a bit. I want to use the French curve, but I think it's not going to make the curve to be moderate, so that's why I'm using my own my free hand to do that. So now let's cross check the measurement. Maybe it's accurate. The back neck is 4.5 plus the front neck, which is 7.6. It will equivalent to 12.1 inches. So now let's cross check the measurement of the neck. Maybe it's correct. So this is 12.1. As you can see, it's correct. So the remaining 0.75, which is 3/4 of an inch, is for the overlap of the hood. So the next thing is to cut out the pattern of the hood. And if you want to cut it on fabric, you are going to cut 4 pieces. And if you wish, you can make it 2 pieces. So please, if you are just coming across this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this video. That's the only way you can help this channel, and don't forget to share it with others.